Hi Marna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have a package I am very excited about from Tracy at Eclectic Wondering. I will have her in the title. You can click and go see her channel. Tracy is amazing. The items that she makes for her dolls, she has a lot of different types of dolls. One of the items that really caught my eye recently were her bucket hats for her Smart Dolls. So when she made a real nice comment on my little tote bags for my Smart Dolls, I contacted her. I said, would you like to make a trade? And so we traded, and I'm opening this to show you what Tracy sent me. And I really am excited about this. Tracy she's amazing. She is amazing. She makes, some really cute and fun items. And it looks like I got a notebook. Ooh, I got all kinds of stuff. Oh, let me stop. I'm so excited. Oh, these bucket hats, she's shown a few that she makes for her Smart Dolls. Look at the craftsmanship in that. It is so, it's reversible. Oh, those are spiders. Oh my God, I love this side. This is the side. Oh, that's adorable. I love it, Tracy. I absolutely love it. When she started showing these, every time she showed one, I'm like, oh my God, that's so cute. She sent me two. Thank you, Tracy. Thank you so much. Look at this. J Dolls UK will love this one. Look at the little stars. Oh, they're adorable. And hearts. Oh my God, my girls will be wearing these. The craftsmanship. Tracy, these are so cute. Thank you so much for making this trade. I cannot thank you enough. That's not all. I knew she was sending this. She sent me instructions and pattern to make these. Oh, how cute is this? It says, hi Marna, I hope you like the little hats. I love them. The pattern and the instructions for the pattern, if you have a question about anything, you know how to get a hold of me. Thank you so much for contacting me about this trade. You and Deron are awesome. Thank you, Tracy. Tracy, you people, each of you in the doll community, I have found to be the nicest, kindest people. And I cannot tell you how much Deron and I appreciate that. I mean that. Your friendships and outreach to us has enhanced our enjoyment, not only of collecting and my sewing and his 3D printing, but just, when you go to the shows and meet everybody or contact somebody and they're so kind. Excuse me, I got a dry throat. Tracy, I love these hats. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Oh my God, Deron, I'm just never going to use this. I mean, I really like it, but these spiders, oh, they're so cute. Don't they just look adorable? Tracy, I love, love, love these hats. Thank you so much. What a fun trade. What did they say on Dances with Wolves? It's a good trade.